name's Elisa and today we're going to be making panna cotta, an Italian dessert. So to make it, we're going to take 7 grams gelatine, 42 millilitres water for the gelatine, add that in and mix and then set it aside. Now it should become about like this and then just set it aside. So after that, take 360 millilitres of milk, add 240 millilitres double cream, add 100 grams granulated sugar, and cook at 140 degrees, which is technically very low temperature. So our gelatin is ready. So as you can see, it's very much like jelly. It's very satisfying. So just scoop it up in the bottom of the bowl, and then you could add it in there. So technically, we're going to add 10 millilitres of vanilla bean paste, but if you don't want to waste such a small weight, then you could just take 2 teaspoons. Other vanilla bean paste, we take it from Taylor and College. It's very good, and the more you add, the better it's going to be tasting and smelling. It's very good. Right now, we're going to be making the jam to go on top of the panna cotta. So we've got some mixed berries, they're frozen, quite loud. We're going to add the sugar, well 50, half of 100. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoonful of vanilla bean paste. And also vanilla we're using a lot. So we've got 50 millilitres of water. We're going to add that into here. I think like low heat, not. So the panna cotta is an Italian name and it translates into English as cooked cream. We're going to take 4 glass jars like this. Quite big, and we've got this. It smells really nice. It's like it smells of vanilla and like milk. It's very warm, and we're gonna pour it like not too much, probably like about here. We just made our panna cotta. We're gonna try it. I think it really looks yummy, and Visa, of course, it does. I never tried it. Very good. And please don't forget to like or subscribe down below for more videos. Say sorry.